I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Now search and select HubSpot. To get HubSpot access token, please go to your HubSpot account. Go to Settings. Click on Integrations. Click Private Apps. Click on Create a Private App. Give a name of your app. Go to Scope. Click on CRM. Give all these permissions. Click on Create App. Click on Continue creating. Click on Show Token, then copy. Go to Bit Integrations Dashboard and paste it here. Click on Authorize. Successfully authorize. Click on Next. Select an action. Now map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features. If you want, you can use them. Click on Next. Click on Finish and Save. Now go to your form and fill it up. Submit it. The form has been submitted successfully. Let's check our HubSpot account. As you can see, a contact has been created to HubSpot. Thanks for watching.